Welcome everybody to Box of Mox Edamati. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to equip mask with the aircraft and aircraft with any cloth or outfit. I'm gonna show you any cloth or outfit you want with the aircraft helm and the mask. So you're gonna need two things. You're gonna need to go here to the outfits. And you're gonna need to equip the flight suit, black or green as you like, it's your choice. Now choose black if you would like to. I'm gonna choose black, okay? And I'm going to, wait a minute, oh shit.